Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Springday Mandarin Black Tea recipe in Heartopia. In this new event, in this new update, Heartopia has new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic Event. That in this event you can cook any food and drinks. One of them is Springday Mandarin Black Tea like this, but first you need to unlock this recipe. And to unlock this recipe, just go to your popcorn serving card and then just choose the Springday Fruit Black Tea, the original Springday Fruit Black Tea recipe like this, and then just replace the fruit ingredients to Mandarin like this, and then just tap on start cooking. Like this. And okay, like this, you will successfully unlock the Springday Mandarin Black Tea recipe like this. And the recipe will add it automatically to your food recipe list like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.